Hello, my name is Richard Vilton. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Emu Analytics. We are a software company. Our software is a real-time geolocation analytics and visualization tool.
The future of the air cargo industry is taking shape right here at Liege Airport, and this is the WeCargo Summit. All right, Richard Vilton, welcome on the set. So you are the CEO of Emu Analytics. Could you summarize in a few words what is your technology?
Yes, so our technology is a software platform. It's deployed into the cloud and it is designed to analyze and visualize geospatial data, so data around the movement and position of objects, transport systems, vehicles, that kind of thing. So a lot of assets that would typically exist at an airfield.
Okay, so you're coming from the UK, and what are you expecting from this event?
Well, we came here obviously to network, to demonstrate our technology, to meet potential partners and customers and collaborators, and also just to experience the industry vibe that this event has got going on.
All right, here you are. So could you give us a concrete example of how your technology is applied currently at maybe existing clients?
Sure. So we are deployed at Heathrow Airport for IAG Cargo. We are sitting above the telemetry data that they get from all their cargo tugs that they drive airside at that airport, and we are doing real-time analysis of how the performance of those vehicles within parts of the airport is performing, and alerting in real time the operations team to any issues such as congestion or anything that could lead to delay in the transition of cargo from the cargo centre to the aircraft and vice versa. We're also just embarking on a project to demonstrate the capabilities of the same for the airport itself.
So hearing this, we can obviously imagine all the advantages of your technology once implemented in the air cargo industry, but then why would you say that this industry in particular takes a lot more time in order to adopt innovation?
So I think this industry, it's obviously a well-established industry, but often that means it's quite difficult to adopt new technologies quickly. We are actually sit across multiple industries, so we've worked in energy, in telco, in other forms of transport, rail and road. So I guess what we're bringing is a transition of a technology that's been demonstrated and proven in other industries and can very rapidly be implemented within the cargo space because the data is of a very similar nature and the challenges are similar. It's just that the location of the challenge is an airfield as opposed to a road or a railway network.
And what would you say are the barriers that maybe clients see at the time in order to implement these technologies?
Yeah, well, obviously our software is an analytics tool, so it requires data. So there has to have been some existing investment in the maybe the implementation of tracking devices that are generating data. There also has to be an inclination by the organisation to want to use data more effectively to operationalise or to introduce operational efficiencies. So you know, there's an investment in data, the need and want to use data, and then probably the use of and the change in how people use that data to change decisioning in how the business runs. There has to be a need for the business, or a desire for the business to want to use data. They have to have some data, and then they have to have the people who can actually react from what that data tells them.
All right, perfect. And then what would be the two pieces of advice that you would give to someone who wants to implement real-time tracking technologies or real-time localization technologies in their company, in their airports, or anywhere
well,
else?
obviously, the first one would be get in touch with us. We'd love to talk to you. And secondly, you know, there's quite a large ecosystem of companies and potential partners in this space. You know, there's a lot of people providing telemetry systems, tracking devices. All that data is required if you're going to turn that into insights that you can action. So it's more than one player that solves all of this. It's definitely
collaboration is key. Thank you, Richard, for joining, and thank you for watching this video. We have of course a lot more content about WeCargo coming up here in our next videos. Thank you for watching.